So here we go. All right, again, April 1st, 2026. Ax and I are working on the furnace at Big Twin Lake. Here you go, Axel, if you hold that for a minute. It's on, it's filming, so yeah, there you go. I'm gonna try to replace this guy. I've already got the one side open. Where'd that piece go?
What piece?
Well, the part that clips it down over there, I'll find it later. But so I'm gonna start by, there's these two wires coming out of it. And I'm gonna actually just cut them because they are into these other pieces. This will be a temporary, because first we're gonna find out if this even works. So I'm gonna cut it with enough that I can hook onto that piece. So I'm gonna cut it, leave a tail here, right there. And that should be one of them that goes out of this igniter right here. And then this one here, I'll take that one and leave a tail on that one so that we can take that off. So the two wires, I'm gonna then clean off. Okay. I should have brought something better to strip some wire with, but we'll see if we can get it with these side cutters. I have to start this over again. Don't have. Oh, darn it. No. Okay. Got it. Okay. And then the other one here. And so the new one has kind of built into it, but I'm not going to use it. Built onto the bottom of it has the sensor, the flame sensor guy. This one's right here. See the flame sensor right there. And so I'm gonna, all right, so those done. I'm gonna take these screws out. I don't think this will take too terribly long if it works. There's one. There's two. Pop that off. You see, that's off. The new one. I'm gonna aim over here. Actually, you filming? Can you aim like? That's the new one. See, it has the sensor right here. I'm gonna just slide that right out.
What's the sensor for?
That's to see if there's a flame working, to make sure it doesn't just pour gas in even when the flame's not working. And so it's kind of a safety mechanism. So if the flame's not on, it won't put gas in it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Or if it doesn't ignite, it won't keep pushing gas into it. That's one. That's two. All right, so both those are on there. How long is the video so far?
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
It's 3 minutes long already?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, okay. Boring video. All right. All right, so they fit. That's what it looks like. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this, I have some electrical tape. I think you're in the light. You mind if you, maybe, so people can, okay, there we go. I've got some electrical tape. And then I got this one here. I don't have a wire nut. But again, this is just temporary. We'll get it fixed up a little bit better.
Is this the water heater?
This is the furnace.
Oh, was it broken?
Yeah. That's why I'm fixing it.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, if it wasn't broken, I probably wouldn't.
Well, yeah, I thought we were just getting it started.
Dad, you need some newer electrical tape, maybe. Okay. Didn't account for this. Okay. Worst electrical tape known to man. All right. There. Okay, got it. off that first layer that's been exposed, all crusty and dried out. Let's see if we can get a piece here that works. All right. There's one. So, because we're really, how long's the video now?
6 minutes.
6 minutes? Oh my God, okay. All right, let's see if we can tuck this stuff back in here. I don't know if it'll fit. It's got a lot of wires already in there that fit around. Okay, see if I can get that closed. I don't want to pinch any wires or anything though. All right, now I had a piece right here. This piece keeps it clipped down. All right, time to see if she fires up. Hopefully, that's all it takes. It doesn't explode in my face. All right. Closed valve, turn valve on. Turn this on. Oh, look at that. Flame, you can see it?
That's it.
A little smoky,
Yeah.
but it's certainly, because there was a little, I think a little extra fuel in there.